Hey there, so here is Join the Juice mobile app. It's an interesting app. They redesigned it a lot and just added a lot of features. And yeah, maybe sometimes you can get some deals and promotions if you like Join the Juice. It's like the network of restaurants with juices, obviously with coffees and with some sandwiches. Some people like it, some people don't, but it's quite conveniently located in a lot of like central locations. And then there are some loyalty cards which you can get. You can purchase them, and then, for example, with this you can get some 10 signature juices, and then some salads with 23% discount. Then here, yeah, you can also have that. Then there are some gifts which you can have here. So yeah, you can. The more you order, basically, you can get points and then more points, and maybe you can get like a free sandwich or like a free coffee and all of that. So there is some some element why you can use the app and why it's easy to use. You can always just like change country, change market where the store is located. The app is pretty convenient. Then if you want to do an order, you can just select a dish and then just order that. So you can do that. Then you can reorder. And then basically also you can scan the QR code and pay in the store. And this way you can also earn some points. So for example, you can order a store, select the QR code icon, and then scan the QR code and confirm your order. And this way you will earn some points, as I understand. So yeah, and then there is this gray tire level benefits. With your app, you'll unlock gifts at every 5,000 points and experience lots of fun challenges by the way. If you want to learn more about the loyalty program, tap about loyalty link in the bottom of your screen. See you soon. So yeah, then you'll just get the different color of the cup. So you can see great tire rewards, receive a complimentary sandwich after your first app order, ability to pre-order in all stores at all times. So you have a lot of these different gifts and all of that. So yeah, they just add a lot of these gamification elements inside of the app. So you can try that. And then it's like pretty convenient. You can see top selling products like sandwiches and shakes. So yeah, that's basically the idea. You can buy cards here, you can reward, you can pay. And that's how the process looks like. Then also you can just refer a friend. So feel free to use my referral code here. You can see your order history, you can see your personal info, and then you can also just tap to delete your account. You can also then edit your data, for example. So yeah, that's basically how it works. Hope that is helpful, and try out this app.